Hello, in front of me I've got Thrustmaster T248X. In this video I'll show you how to assemble the whole set. In the beginning, take a look at the bottom of the steering wheel. Right here you can find ports. There is a USB-C port, input port for the shifter, and optical port for the pedals. Firstly, let's connect pedals. Use this cable, which is attached to the pedals, and connect it right here. Once it's connected, let's connect this USB-C cable, thanks to which we can connect our steering wheel to the PC. Okay, once it's connected, we can organize the cables by pushing them right here. Unfortunately, I don't have the shifter, so I can't show you how to connect it. We can organize cables by just putting them in the middle and blocking them by tightening this tape. Once it's done, we have to attach the whole base to PC. Use this holder that can be screwed in and out, and attach it to your desk. In the end, connect your steering wheel to the PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.